Oh, it's hot.
We're at After's Ice Cream. We are here to get some ice cream.
Getting ice cream. Getting ice cream?
Ice cream!
Ice cream? Oh, hey, run it back. Oh, run it back. Oh, okay. We're going to Frank and Sons collectible show. Might get some Pokemon cards. It's Sunday live. I see Pikachu. A lot of Pikachu. Bro, I want that pin. Alright, Jeremy. First, let's go. I got my booster box. You got your booster box. Guys, there's Toys R Us, it's back! This is a really great place to go. I'm hella geeking. Got myself, it's freaking crazy, dude. There's so much things to intake, like I'm like hella geeking. Not gonna lie, hella geeking. Hey, there's so much Pikachu stuff, bro. Alright, little Tokyo. Where are we going? Hey, it's your boy. We just bought myself a freaking teddy bear bucket hat. No, it's closed. Not like this. Not like this. There was no more workers. No. No. I still got my bucket hat. Yo, not gonna lie, this look good. I like this bucket hat. Brad, Somi. Some ice cream.